then uvala this other option. Okay, watch what happens. Altata. So what does it mean when usithole? Let's go and attack. Angit. Break attack, but bheka boy-2. Now what happens? We let them recover. He wants the ball. We are a team that likes to combine. If you are not going to, if no one is coming to get the ball, I'm just going to combine. He doesn't get the ball. Watch what happens. He doesn't get the ball. He moves. Make a second run. Simple. Bafethu. You don't have to have the ball when they're into a brilliant. Watch again. He's here. He doesn't get the ball. What does he do? He moves there, opens up his space. Simple. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana is playing Mexico in a few days' time. Out of all the positions, right, the midfield, it's one position where I'm not sure who is going to play with Umukwena. We all know Umukwena is going to start, and in most positions, they are covered. Now, Umukwena has a great relationship or great partnership with Adams. It's obvious. They play together, they train together most of the time, Sundowns. So most of the time, Hugo Bros plays Umukwena no Sithole. I don't like that partnership. I'll show you why I don't like that partnership. It's not about combination plays, but it's about positioning. Where do you position yourself? The problem with this Sithole, when Umukwena is sitting deep, he does not push forward. So I'm going to show you a few clips Zaga Sithole, few clips Zaga Adams, Nezaga Mbatha. So in my order, if we are looking for a goal or if we start the game, I will play Adams, then maybe bring in Talente. If we want to defend, then I will bring in Sithole. Right? Now let's go. Remember, we are playing against Mexico. So if they attack us, at some point, or let's say if they keep the ball, it's courtesy. At some point, we have to attack Nat. So the most important thing is combination play, those 1-2 passes versus your counter attack. Now, this is Sithole. The ball is on the left-hand side. Now, South Africa, we all know they play a double pivot. 2 midfielders. Sharp. The most important thing, if you're a double pivot, you must never be, as a midfielder, you must never be this side. You must always be this side. You must always cross the first line of these guys, the first lines of defense, just like where Umukwena is. He must not come this side. He must be this side here. He must be this side. Ball is gonna go to the left again. You look where Sithole is. Now, the ball is going to come back, and then he's going to want to come here, which is wrong. As a midfielder, this thing needs communication. If he is dropping into like a right back position, then the right back needs to push forward. But because he's not used to, I don't blame him, he's not used to playing a double pivot. He's not used to playing a double pivot. What happens? When you come here, this is one straight line. You shouldn't be in this line. This player must have more than one option. So if Uzala, then Uvala this other option. Okay? Watch what happens. Altata. I think one of the reasons Hugo Bros Adlali Sithole is because of his presence in the midfield. Mute, he's strong, and you know Guti, most of our players are official. So you need that height in the game. But the most important thing for me is positional play or positioning, where you position yourself so that we are able to play. i-combination play yes iyafuneka ane iyafuneka. Look where Umukwena is. He moves in here again. There's no need for you to be here. Just stand here. Yeah? There's no need for you to come here. Just stand here. If you stand here, you are able to get the ball. This guy has two options, like I said earlier. Angit, sharp. Look where he is. Imagine if he was here. Imagine if he was here. Buiseli Pole move. Okay, sharp. Play continues. Now, Mukwena gets the ball. Angit, Mukwena gets the ball. Call for the ball. Call for the ball so that Zokono Ugdala Besuyatena. Okay, sharp. There is space here in between. Mukwena recognizes the space and then look at what Police Wenzani. Just that this was a bad pass. But call for the ball. And if you are in position, there's no one around you. Busy baller utene ukone upasa pambi. Another clip yaga Sithole. Now, the score it's 1-0. Siyadliwa ngithi. Siyadliwa, we win the ball. Sharp. Utebucho is the one osemove. So what does it mean when Sithole? Let's go and attack. Angit. Break attack, but Boy 2. Now what happens? We let them recover. We let them recover. Okay, sharp. Let's play. You can't be a midfielder that just wants to pass the ball sideways. Yeah, you are not ready. This guy wanted to make a run. You are not ready. When you just want to trap and pass, You're not trapping the ball and looking forward. Is there an option for me to pass it long? If I equal option to pass along, then you can pass sideways. Remember, the first option when you get the ball in the midfield or wherever, the first option is to pass up Pambili straight. If that option is blocked, then it's Pambili sideways. Kanjalo. And the last option is going backwards. But as a keeper, you can't go backwards. Sharp. Still in the same line, you're not even coming here, Ugusi. Let me go, just to add numbers so that if buyers about to press, bafethu. You're just passing, Mara. The combination Eyaga Sithole no Mukwena, it's not gonna help us. It's not going to help us because that's what he wants to do. He doesn't even look la Pagat Nindao. He doesn't. Come. Angithi abamshishi bahlele iguma pocket. Ask for the ball, Mbanagiti. I don't blame him, guys. I don't blame him. He's not used to playing a double pivot. It's not the same. Those positions are not the same. If you are a midfielder, Ocho Uiwan is a holding midfielder. The requirements when you play with a double 6, those jobs are not the same. Talent embat. If Jaren Adams ulimele, I start with talent. I'm a talent our fan. The most important thing as a midfielder is positioning. If as a player, as a midfield, if you position yourself well, your decisions they become easy. Easy. This is the talent ela. And it is for a goal, right? We are looking for a goal. Sharp. Ball comes back, he drops in. And he wants the ball. We are a team that likes to combine. If you are not going to, if no one is coming to get the ball, I'm just going to combine. This thing is simple. Yeah, this thing, if you come and collect, you come and then you look forward. You go, not good man, I don't have a lot of footage as I tell them, but Bafana. Right? I didn't want to use ama games where they are playing for their local teams. Bafana. So now positional play. This clip doesn't do a lot, but Lenton Inshaw Yoguti show ukuthi you want to go forward, or give us an option masiya phambili. Angithi you can't be njalo wena, this is utalent. You can't be njalo wena as uSithole ufuna ukuhlala emuva, especially ku double pivot. Watch what he does. He won't get the ball anymore, but what does he do? He adds. Yes, this is wrong. From Uapolis, he's in the wrong position. He's in the wrong position. Now, Uapolis should be here. If Uapolis is here, and then Umbatha uzopusha la. But Umbatha uyabona ukuthi Uapolis ubusy la, then wenza uza la. Just ask yourself ukuthi how many times has uSithole scored? He's in a scoring position la. Ask yourself how many times has uSithole scored for iBafana Bafana. It's because his mindset, it's not ukuthi ufuna uku-attack, it's all about defending. That's why ngithi I don't blame him. That's why I wouldn't pick him. I know ukuthi if we are going to play against a strong team as an attacker, Hugo Bros uzodlala uSithole. Now I would play him uSithole, right? If we are playing against a team that is very stronger than Tina, but Jayden Adams, very smart player. I think it's one of the most talented, but one of the smartest players I've ever seen in midfield. He doesn't do a lot. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch is a lot. Makes a run. I'm not sure if you saw that. That small run, Guti, Nyale, then he stops. Watch this movement. Then he stops. He doesn't get the ball. Watch what happens. He doesn't get the ball, he moves. Make a second run. Simple. Bafethu. You don't have to have the ball when they're into a brilliant. Watch again. He's here, he doesn't get the ball. What does he do? He moves there, opens up his space. Simple. He didn't touch the ball. He didn't touch the ball. He's a simple, smartest player. In this clip, he doesn't touch the ball. So I'm just going to show you mangithi uSithole iproblem yakhe positioning. So this is the double pivot. Problem yakhe Sithole, he doesn't know how to play in the pockets. This is the first line of defense. Panama. uSithole wants to come here because he can't play facing amapala lawa escora ku. And here he doesn't do anything. But I just want you to watch the discipline. There's no need for you to jump in here. They stay here. If one of them goes and press, they know Guti, they'll be able to get the ball. He's jumping in space, Sibakona Lapaya. The combination, the understanding between the two, the understanding between Jayden Adams and Mukwena is very crucial because they don't play one side. Sometimes they just interchange or they interchange. In the beginning of the video, I said, Guti, there'll be moments where World Cup where we get the ball maybe for 1 minute. We need to have that quick interchange, quick combination, and it's very critical. You get that, then you go forward. That 1-2, let's say Siapambi. Watch. Da. Pass was not a good pass, but just watch what happens. Jayden Adams slow. Could have decided to go backwards. He doesn't. Siapambi, let's go and attack. That's one of the weakness Yaga Sithole, always wanting to go backwards. Final clip, Besenya Vala. Mr. Two Touch. This guy have a fit. Doesn't take a lot of touches. Switch the ball. Ball is gonna come back. My Valile, play an easy option. If you can't play it long, if you can't play it wide, my Valile, it's okay. Two touch, but fit. This guy, problem yaga Adams, ne, is ukuthi he makes football look simple. Then people think ukuthi everyone can do isn't as so. No, it takes a lot of development training to do just to make football looks simple. Thank you for watching. Hopefully Bafetu will get a win. For me, I would say Gutin, in this game, ne, you go all out. Even if you lose, you still have 2 games to play. Don't try and play for a draw, you understand, or be defensive. Go and attack. If you lose, it's okay. At least go out there trying to win the game. Who knows, maybe you might get a draw. But if you're going to start City, I know, you want to play a draw and be defensive, you might not get that. You might not get that point that we are looking for. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share. Ngiyabonga.